Today we're going to be looking at JourneyMESH chest rig with cargo pockets version 2 by Atlas46. I got the coyote color with a belt extension and it's brand new. The thing I like about this is it's mesh, so it allows air to get through the apron chest rig thing. And the reason I bought this is because I've been getting aprons for the shop, but they do not hold everything that I want it to hold. And I came across this, and this fits its needs. So if you'd like to see how I use it or learn more about it, please stay tuned. Okay guys, I've had this chest rig for about 2 months now, going on 3. And the reason I did that is I wanted to use this, get familiar with it, and have things put in it that I use from a day-to-day basis. That way it's not just such a wow factor and because it's new. I really like this product. Place to keep my hat or my earmuffs while I'm working. Have my tape measure. Have all my pencils, marking devices, my magnetic pickup. Got my speed square, my angle finder, my dust mask, RZ dust mask. And when I'm not wearing it, I can just hang it up on my shoulder here. So it's still handy before putting it away. These flaps here keep the dust out of your pockets. You can also keep them open if you just tuck the pocket flap in. And I'll show you some of the hidden things that I like about this chest rig. One of the reasons why I like this chest rig is because of this pocket right here. It's not just an ordinary pocket. You can put your recording device, which I have a cell phone, and then what it is up here at the top. I'll have to get a better picture. You got like a button slot right here where you can slip your microphone through or your headphone jacks. That way you can either listen to music while you're working, or else in my case I use mine for a sound recording device, and it's hooked up to a microphone that I clip to my hat. You seen me earlier mess with it on my hat. That's what it was. This is a microphone that I use. Another thing I like about this chest rig is these straps right here. They swivel, and they're nice nylon buttons. Not only that, the belt is nylon and nice clip to it. And one of the things that I liked about this chest rig, they offered an extra large belt that fits a fat guy like me. So I was really happy about that. And when I was talking to you about the pockets being open, and you can tuck it back in there, that way you can keep your pockets open in case you put screws in there and you want to use screws while you're working. This comes real handy. It's got 3 big pouches, so that's nice. And in the back here, they got a pouch right here. You can either put your headset in here, or you can put your gloves in here, or whatever you want to put in there. It's your choice. But it works real well for me, and that's what I'm going to be using it for. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If there's any questions that I haven't covered, just leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to them as soon as I can. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Anyway, that's how it's done, son.